a hugely unpredictable and volatile industry. Farmers are constantly looking for cost-effective ways to partner with nature or counteract her harsh realities. Nutropathic works with nature by enhancing natural agricultural processes and creating ideal growing environments for plants. Nutropathic helps farmers maximize their time, money, and manpower.
The soil conditioner was the first product that we came out with, and specifically it was designed to open the soil up. We wanted to reduce the ionic bonds in the soil and get the soil looser to where we could have more oxygen in the soil, and with more oxygen we wanted to have more water carrying capacity. So then we came along and added some bacteria to the soil to where we could stimulate some more bacterial activity in the soil. From that, we added the mycorrhizae to the soil conditioner to broaden out its effects and help increase the productivity of the product.
The mycorrhizae has been a very interesting and almost a miracle of nature in some ways because of the symbiotic relationship it has with the host plant or the crop that you're growing. Because of the symbiotic relationship, the mycorrhizae with these long little hyphae or roots will go out and harvest or release some of that mineral that that plant needs. It actually will produce and help extract from the soil many of the minerals that the plant needs, and the same kind of thing occurs with diseases. Because the mycorrhizae is beneficial fungi, it is trying to keep that host plant healthy, and so therefore it's this real interesting beneficial relationship in nature that nutropathic products are taking advantage of.
So you can think of the mycorrhizal fungi kind of as a nutrient gathering system, but it also reduces the need by the plant for water. So we see huge decreases in the requirement of your plant for water when that root system becomes colonized with the mycorrhizal fungi.
Nutropathic Soil Restore with mycorrhizal stimulants and liquid bacteria concentrate are cost-effective, easy to use, and nature-friendly.
Soil conditioner, for example, or the mycorrhizae stimulants in the Soil Restore are very stable. They can be blended with a number of different kind of products easily. The bacteria can be put with a number of products, either foliar sprays or starter fertilizers, and they don't have to worry about them being exposed to sunlight. We can spray this product on the surface of the soil, on the plants. Second of all, I think one of the real benefits is the cost. They're very economical for farmers to use. Third thing that I like about them, we get consistent results. And now we've been using those products in liquid manure pits. We're starting to use them in making liquid compost teas. Nutropathic products fit for farmers all the way from organic farms to any other kind of agriculture. And I really think that's one of the big benefits of some of the nutropathic products.
The Soil Restore and liquid bacteria not only supply mycorrhiza to the soil, but also create the perfect environment in which mycorrhiza can thrive.
We did some testing last summer to look at some of the results on areas that we had sprayed the Restore bacteria along with some liquid fish and kelp, and we found some interesting things with almost double the amount of vitamins. We found that we were 34 and 35% higher in calcium, even though we had put no calcium on, 20-some% higher in phosphorus. And so what we were finding is that we were actually able to increase the uptake in these plants without putting on any additional fertilizer and maintaining higher quality crops in the meantime. And I think most of that is because of the mycorrhizae and the effects that Soil Restore have on the soil.
Mycorrhizal fungus has the ability to break down, mobilize the calcium